Bring that beat, y'all. Renee the garden, let me say, I'm doing things and I'm gonna do the thing my way. I'm rocking in the red light and when they gonna stay. I seen the bird, and I'm gonna say today. Everybody, yes, I'm over here to say your name. People telling me, oh, Jaden, when he saying your names, I put your name in and coming on the album too. Oh, yes, I'm over here today. I'm gonna rock for you, say yes. So when I wanna rock up on my mind, still I'm over here, the end they say it's hammer time. Yes, it's hammer time, and when I wasn't in my prime. Yes, I'm in my prime when I'm here to drop my rhyme. Yes, I seen that bird saying that, have you heard? Robert Ganter over here, oh no, he not no third. Still it could have been me, could have been you. Still I'm over here, the end I come to do you. So when I say K and I say the other one, K Renee Garden, do you wanna have fun? The Dolores over there putting around some moves on. Still I'm over here to putting you up on a song. So official Jamie, yeah, oh yes, I'm singing names. Names are over here, they saying, oh yes, we not strange. Strange over here, but we still doing things. People's over here saying that yes to what I bring, saying, hey. Said I come to do with what I do. People telling me, oh yes, the people trying to sue me cause I'm over shouting out to you. Not to whip no hate, but love it, this is what I do. I started from the bottom, now I'm in the middle too. Everybody saying the word, the count of 2 on 2. Not the T with the W and O. I got the T a double O, but still I got more. So if I want some more, now I come to that door. Some people telling me that and I coming for that show. I'm about to get that party started just to get it crunk. Oh yes, I'm over here, I'm rocking whippets in the trunk saying, hey. I said I wanna get down. Still I'm over here, people, yes, I'm getting down. Turning all around and everybody getting down. Hitting with their third album, now the fourth now. Now I'm 45, now I still feel alive. People talking about no, I'm not surprised. Surprise over there while you eating pie. But I work out every day, no it's not surprising. Hey, yes, I wanna go and say that name. People telling me don't when I'm here to say some names. Names in the chat that put the chat up on a song. Yes, over here they sing the song of where belong. Belong over here to belong on the album. People's over here they saying that yes, I love the album because I'm doing this and I'm doing it for you. Yes, I'm over here and I'm rocking it too. Say, hey, send 2 peace in the pod. I'm over here to say we still getting hard. People talking about with 2 piece in the pod. People's over there saying, oh my God. So when I start and I start with my flow, people telling me, do you even want more? But still, I'ma go with the beat still in. But still, I'ma say you could bring your, how the beat in, hold on, my bad.